Hey guys, MD here. Today we're going to be making some of these amazing twice baked potatoes, and we're going to be doing it all today on the pellet smoker back there. Man, you guys have got to take a peek at these. These things are awesome. So stay tuned. Let me show you how we're going to do it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our pellet grill up to about 400. Then we're just going to place our potatoes in here for about 35 to 40 minutes. Until those are done, and we'll come back when it's done. While we're waiting for the potatoes to get done, I'm going to go ahead and prepare our 1 pound of bacon. I'm just going to dice it up into about 1-inch squares. That should be good. Alright, bacon's all diced up. We'll just go ahead and add that to our cast iron skillet. This thing is screaming hot right now, so that should be good. Bacon's done. We'll go ahead and get that fat drained off of it. Uh-oh, man down. Calvin's Corner 72 is going to give me shit over that one. Every time I drop something, he always calls me out. Thanks, Calvin. I appreciate it. Okay, guys, these are done. We're going to go ahead and put them on our plate and let them cool down, and I will show you the next step. We're also going to leave this the pellet grill on because we're going to have to rebake these. That's hence the term twice baked potato. Okay guys, this is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, all you're going to do is just slice these in half like such, and you're going to spoon the meat of these potatoes out into this bowl here. Try not to break the skin. If you do, it's not the end of the world. You can see what I'm doing there. I'm just kind of scooping down the inside the skin and leaving just that. See that? So I'm going to do that with the rest of these potatoes, and I'll come back to you and show you what we do after that. Alright, now just mash it up. A little piece of skin in there. It's not going to hurt anything, but just make it cleaner looking. So now I'm going to add my butter. We're going to do about a half a stick of butter. We're also going to add some cheddar cheese to this, some shredded cheddar cheese. No specific amount. I'd say maybe a half cup. Maybe a little bit more. I don't know. What do you think? We like it cheesy. And we're also going to use half of the bacon that we fried up earlier into that mix. We're going to save the other half to top off the potatoes. And some sour cream. Again, no specific amount. I'd say a quarter cup right there. Now we're just going to incorporate this all together into one like mashed potato type consistency here. Okay, now pretty easy. Just start putting the fillings inside these potato skins. Just like such. Send this in. You're going to have a ton extra because, as you can see, we added extra ingredients to this, so we fluffed it up a bit. So you can overstuff these if you'd like. I'll get the rest of these filled in, and I'll come back to you. Okay, we end up with that. These are all done. So now we're just going to add a little bit more cheese on this, just to give it that little color. Okay. Now, the rest of that bacon we got, we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle some on. More the better. Okay. And then back onto the pellet smoker. And guys, these are done right now, but what we're doing is we're just trying to reheat them up a little bit. Melt that cheese, kind of bring everything together, and it's going to tighten everything up into one nice little appetizer. Oh yeah, those are done. Let's go ahead and get them Ooh, they're soft too, so careful with them. Alright guys, we're gonna go in for the taste test on this and see how they turned out. I already know how they're gonna be. They're good, but here we go. Oh. Oh my god. Those are so good. Gotta go in for round 2. Messy and delicious. Oh man, you guys have got to give these a try. It's got that smoke flavor from there, man. I love cooking on that thing. So good. Oh. Well guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and get more content like this. Also, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. What your guys' favorite little side dishes are, little interesting dishes, or what else you'd like me to cook for you and show you guys how I do it. But I appreciate y'all watching. As always, get your families outdoors, and I'll catch you next time. Oh yeah. Let's finish this guy up.